Hi, welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I'll show you how to unblock a text message on Android and guide you through the simple steps to restore messages from any blocked contact. This method works on most Android devices. Now let's get started. Step 1, open the Messages app on your Android device. This works for both Google Messages and Samsung Messages. Step 2, tap on the profile icon at the top right of the conversation screen. This gives you access to message settings and options for managing contacts. Step 3, scroll down and tap Spam and Blocked. This section shows all blocked phone numbers and messages. It's important because this is where blocked contacts are listed. Step 4, tap and hold the blocked number or message, then tap the trash can icon to delete it if desired. Step 5, to unblock, tap the 3 dots at the top right and select blocked numbers. This will show a full list of all numbers you have blocked. Step 6, tap the red line or X next to a number or select Unblock All from the menu to unblock messages. This restores the ability to receive texts from that contact. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful Android tips and tutorials.